Hey guys, so Filippo's here, and today we're gonna make a hot dog. First, you get the hot dog. Second, you break it in half, and then number three, get the bun, put it in here, and put the top bun over here, and yeah, and then go cook it to the oven. Yeah, and set a timer for a few minutes, and then it'll be ready. So yeah, that's how you make a hot dog. When you hear a ding, you get the hot dog, the one bun, two bun, and the what's that called? No.
Oh, the turkey.
And the turkey out of the oven. And then, whoa, I almost fell. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. So today, if you hear a ding, you get the oven out. Open the oven. Place the 1, 2, and 1, 2 buns, and the turkey. And you hear the ding. You get it out, and then you get the first bun, second bun, and the turkey. And once you get it, you'll enjoy. Yeah, that's how you do this. Anyways, thanks for watching my first video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah. See ya. Bye.